Today I'm putting together this Anseto Solar Irrigation system. This does say in and out, and there are caps on them. I'm going to connect the inlet tubing. This controller needs to be less than 1.5 meters from the water source. So I'm cutting this tubing at less than 1.5 meters. And at the base of that tubing, this piece goes. It is a filter. The outlet pipe is attached there, and it does require an anti-siphon to be installed. Now I'm putting the irrigation with the basil because I've been hose watering that and it's just too aggressive. The solar panel on this tomato cage, maybe I'll do something more substantial later. This is the control panel, and there's the on-off button down below. I'm going to set the watering time. I want it to water for, I'm going to say 30 minutes. 6 hours, 12 hours, 1 day. So we're going to have it be at the 1 day. Now I'm just testing and making sure the water is coming out of the emitter, and this one is working well.